My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the malicious pop-ups by the site valerieantic.com. Valerieantic.com is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome browser and other browsers. It tries to make you basically download and install some unwanted browser extensions. It is definitely a mistake for people to interact with these deceptive pop-ups, so do not install what these pop-ups promote. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to check your available browser extensions in Google Chrome by going to the menu Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and if you find any junk extensions, get rid of them. Finally, I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the website combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then once it gets installed, start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.